Oh hi, it's Nye. Hello people. I skipped another week. Sorry. I told y'all I'm lazy, okay? And when I get in the mindset of not doing something, then I just don't do it. So, especially like with my schoolwork, like I'm literally like, it ends like next week and I still have like tons of stuff to do because, it's not in here, you know? But anyways, today we are going to do a video, obviously, on I'm a mess in this video. But it's basically gonna be on a prom makeup look. Now, if it was my prom has already ended. I mean, I didn't go to prom because I'm in college now. But like last year, my prom was April 28th. So but some people still have their proms coming up. So I'm just gonna do it anyway. And this is gonna be a no foundation prom tutorial because I regret wearing foundation to prom because number one, it was too light for my skin. And number two, once you start dancing, and in that dance room, it was so hot and sweaty and disgusting. So I'd rather just have my skin breathe, but have my eyes and lips look good, and my eyebrows and stuff. So let's get started. And I'm also going to be showing you some prom dress options, and then my actual prom dress that I wore to prom. So, the first thing I'm going to do is take concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. And I'm not going to do, there's a hair on my face. Get off. Okay. And another hair on my face. I'm going to do, I don't really have like super dark bags under my eyes, so I'm just going to do a couple of dots. Nothing dramatic. Simply because it looked kind of stupid if you had like this thick, full, like coverage concealer and then like your skin kind of thing. Like that would just look really stupid. Also going to use that same concealer lightly to cover up any like blemishes that I may have. There is going to be an announcement on this channel that I'm super can you not, that I'm super excited about, kind of excited and then kind of confused at the same time. Now I'm going to go in with this Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Butter Pecan, because that's what I am. That kind of rhymed. And my neighbors are looking at me like, this little black girl needs to stop doing things that she's doing right now. I'm going to go in with this gray right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's this gray. Put that throughout the crease. Oh, I went into my fake Jaclyn Morphe palette, by the way. Bringing that all the way, hugging the inner corner, and kind of winging it out. Then just blending the edges a little bit. I'm going to go in with this brown right here, this warm tone brown, and try and diffuse the edges. And going into the fake Huda Beauty palette in the shade Black Truffle. And I'm going to put that on the inner and outer corner. That same shader brush with no extra product that I used to put the crease color, trying to blend that out. I don't think I've ever done a black smoky eye before, like not even like just on my channel, like at all. Going in with the shade Blessed, #blessed, in the fake Huda Beauty palette. That nice gold, and just going into that same black and just kind of diffusing the edges. I'm going to take like a flat liner brush. I'm going to take that black truffle and just smoke it. Not smoke it, place it very closely to the bottom lash line. And then just beneath that, taking that same brown that we used to smoke out the top and just kind of ever so slightly just kind of bringing it along the bottom. Not really trying to smoke it out. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then quickly come back on camera. Okay, y'all, so I did both of my eyebrows and I finished this other eye. I actually used a new product on my eyebrows. I used the Black Radiance Precision Brow Sculptor. I actually really like it because the tip is so small, you know, that it's this color is a little light for me, but I didn't want to go with black because everybody knows what happens when you go with black. But they said that your eyebrows are supposed to be like 2 shades lighter than normal anyway, so I think they look good. This lighting goes like the thing is, the sun is over there, so the lighting kind of makes it look bad, but in reality it looks really good. I mean, this is still not matching, but you know, who cares. So use a concealer that actually matches your skin tone. So going to curl the lashes and add mascara. I actually could not find my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara to save my life. So I'm just gonna use this this Butter London Double Decker Lashes mascara. A lot of people are like, you know, curling your lashes isn't that scary, you know, you get used to it. No, it's still pretty terrifying, to be honest. Like, I don't want to go like blind, because there have been a couple of times when like I caught my eyelid on accident, and that's painful. I was gonna line my waterline, but that just closes my eyes up so much that I just don't really like it. Well, with the black anyway. I don't have a light colored one. I do have a white, but I don't think that would work with this, to be honest. Because I used to line my waterline. Oh god. Oh god. We're just gonna pretend like that didn't happen. I used to line my waterline with white, you know, with like the NYX Jumbo Stick and Milk. But then one of my guy friends told me that it looked like I was crying milk. So that was canceled. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to take that same shade black. Actually, I'm going to take it on my pinky and put that on. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Why? I'm going to take that same shade and just put it lightly underneath the brows. And for the highlight on my face, I'm going to take this LA Colors Highlighting Trio palette in the shade Wild Child. And I'm going to take... Ooh, there's weave hair everywhere. Okay. Get off of me. This gold shade right here. I'm going to take some concealer and just kind of blank out my lips. Then I'm going to go in with this Butter London lip gloss in the shade Let's Eat Cake. And just, oh god, my lips are snitching on me so bad. Yeah, let's just keep it like this and neutral. So now I'm going to show you a couple of prom dresses that you can actually wear. So, along with my actual prom dress. So how do I want to do this is the question. Hold on. This is this first dress. I'm going to do a little spin you know, so you can see it or whatever. The curves, okay. I actually got this dress from a thrift shop. I believe it was $10, and I think it's cute or whatever. So, you know, I'm not wearing it obviously because, you know, my prom is over. But yeah, that was this, and it even got like little cups and stuff, so you don't have to wear boobs because, you know, flat chested. So just watched the footage back and saw that you could saw the bag that I was ratchetly sitting my camera on. But this I also got from the same thrift shop, and this one was $12. It's all lacy and beautiful, and it's got this little slit where you can see like my stubbly leg, you know. I think it's cute personally. And now to the dress that I actually wore at prom. Now this dress was like $329, and I got these like crystal shoes that I'll show you in a minute to go with it, even though I took them off because they were super uncomfortable during prom anyway. I forgot to say that the shoes are actually from a place called De Blossom Collection, like DE space Blossom Collection. So there you go. Just type in sparkle shoes or something. I don't know. So this is the actual dress that I wore to prom, and it is still like, I just feel like the biggest princess ever in it. Like, it's just, even like, I don't know if y'all be able to see this, but like, hold on, let me sit you down. But like the back is just so beautiful. It's like a keyhole back, and I just love like the embellishment here. I don't know if you see that, but like the embellishment here on the front. And I actually had to have it tailored because it was too long. But it's just so beautiful. And these are the shoes that I wore with it. These shoes, hold on. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? There you go. These shoes that have like crystals all over them. They are so cute. I took them off 2 seconds after prom started because I just couldn't, because they're like 7-inch heels. But anyways, this is the finished look. I just put these dangly earrings on. So I showed you 2 cheaper options and this really expensive option. All are really beautiful, you know, simplistic, whatever, you know, except for this one. This one's not simplistic. But I feel like prom is like a one-time thing that you don't really get to do again, so I might as well live it up, because that's what I did. So, you know, like quinceañera and a prom shop in Leesburg, Virginia. I don't remember it. Try to Google it or something, I don't know. But this is my dress. It was like $300 something, including the shoes. Lady gave me earrings that that matched the shoes actually that I wore. But they weren't these. I just threw these on because I can't find the other ones. But anyways, this is the finished look and my prom outfit or whatever's. I'm looking snatched, you know, snatched. But that's all that I had for this video. If you liked it, then good for you, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye. Oh god, I just hit myself with my own earrings.